Hi, it's Amy again from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I've come back with some Maremi small art collage books that I just love. These things are so great. Now, I want to make sure everybody knows these are from her last year's Christmas collection. The new books that have come out for Christmas have already been posted on my channel. I did flip throughs, so make sure that you check out my channel, check out all the other flip throughs that are on the channel. But the ones that are from this year, 2025, are on that, on the channel already. I am decided to come and show these off too, because I haven't had a chance to do that yet. I got these a little while ago, and I just love her books. So make sure when you're looking on Amazon that you make sure it says Maremi Small Art by Marta Lepkoska. I hope that's how I hope I keep pronouncing her name right. Marta's just a wonderful woman who has come out with these books herself after having her own YouTube channel. So check out her Maremi Small Art channel on YouTube, and her cut and collage group on Facebook. They're wonderful. So this one's bits and bobs for art journaling, ATCs, and card making. This is the Christmas edition from 2024. Let's get right into it. I'm going to try to go a little bit fast so I can get both books done in one video. We'll see if that's possible. Okay, I can tell right away I'm not zoomed out enough. Make sure I have everything on the page, on the screen. Everything on the page, on the screen. Oh my goodness, how adorable. Okay, remember, these are cut apart books. She just does a wonderful job putting together all the designs and collections, the digital art and everything. So check her out on Amazon. These are some of her books from before. She has more current books, obviously, in the newer editions. I wanted to show this older edition because I love it. I think the colors are wonderful. I love the just the whimsical way she puts it together. Look at all the cute little gnomes. Some animals. They're just so sweet. And the colors in this book, I love the more vivid, bright colors, but she's got, the newer books have a little more muted colors, which is beautiful too. I can't get enough of these books. Some globes to put pictures in. She gives you examples how you can see what it would look like. Stars, Christmas trees, ornaments. Oh, the little Santa, the Santa gnomes, I guess you'd think. Some more globes, ornaments, some vintage, lacy, very delicate looks to these pages. Obviously, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know this page can be used on its own, but it's great to me that it's on the back of where you cut out. So these would be, I guess, for ATCs mainly, or they could be used in any kind of paper crafting projects, journaling, scrapbooking, card making. Oh, there's like a little elf on the shelf. He's just a little boy there. That's cute. The the designs on here can be used in so many different ways. I've been wanting to for a while now, and I know I keep saying this, but I want to make sure I show you some of the ways that the designs can be used. Look at the cute little fairy, angel type of children. I love also that Marta includes all kinds of different types of children, all different, ethnicity, shapes, and sizes, and gender, different boys and girls. So it's really very cute. All the different variety you have. Some doors and windows, sleigh. Oh, I like it. Obviously very vintage, like I said. And again, I want to remind everyone, this is the book from last year, but it's still available on Amazon, so you can get it. That's how I got these books. Oh, so pretty. Oh, the animals are so cute. Little hats on. Very easy to cut out. You can use, you know, just fussy cutting, or use your, if you have a brother, scan and cut, which I do. That's why these books appeal to me somewhat, is because it's easier to cut them out that way. When you have like something like that to cut, you can just cut, you know, the shapes. Like you cut these into squares. Of course, you can use a paper trimmer, you know, or even like a die cut, like a rectangular die cut for cutting these out, or just use scissors. I mean, these ones are very easy with the ATC, for the ATCs. All the little dogs. Oh my gosh, so cute. Cool looking buildings, more globes to put this, you know, make scenes in. Oh, I love these little animals with the little snow coming down on them. Oh, you know, that just steals my heart right there. I collected bears when I was young, and I just love the bears. All right, I'm not going to flip these over. You can see it's all kinds of words that you can cut out and put using your collaging. And here's this page on a page by itself, so you can have this page in a little more brilliant colors. There's a bonus page. She always gives a bonus page with some other, you know, cute little things that you might not see anywhere else in her collections. I mean, they're unique to this collection, so you have to have this book to get them, but they also kind of give you an idea what she also, you know, what she provides in other books. There's Marta, and this is her Facebook group, Cut and Collage, and her information. So that's great. That was Bits and Bobs for Christmas edition from last year. And also, I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm gonna do both of them in this video. So it won't be so I won't have two different videos. It hopefully won't be so long. But this one, again, this one is Whispers of Christmas. It's an essential background. It's book number 4 of the collections she has of backgrounds. I just love them. I love these books. They're the colors, the way they look, the whimsical look of them. You know, even the backgrounds are always so beautiful. I don't know. I just can't get enough of it. I'm addicted. And everybody that knows now, has seen these videos, knows how much I like them. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Little scene. So these, like, again, these are backgrounds, so you have to understand that you're not going to get all the little bits and bobs and pieces that you would in the other book. They're mainly just to have, like, for your journaling and for, you know, art journaling, junk journaling, scrapbooking, card making. Look at the colors. And see, something like this, you could use this whole part here, you know, just cut this apart with an X-Acto knife or scissors or a paper trimmer. You could, you know, like, you know, picture like this too. You can cut this so that you have this scene by itself. Yeah, so all kinds of ways to use these books, which I will hopefully demonstrate in a future video. I'm trying hard to get caught up with all kinds of videos for the holidays. Got a lot going on. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Very unique. I love the, you know, like Christmas village look. Do people put out Christmas villages anymore? I have a Christmas village, And I haven't put it out for years just because it takes up a lot of space, and maybe I'll put it out this year, because that would be nice if I could clean up all my craft supplies. Have some more room in my house to like be able to actually enjoy some of my extra space. Not that there's much extra anywhere, but anyway, look how very pretty these backgrounds are for Christmas. I'm not a big fan of red, using just red and green in the, but there's blues in here. I'm not saying like she's doing it great. I love how she's mixed her colors. It's very artistic. I find it very appealing to the eye. Hopefully I'm not too high on my video. There's some more globes that you can use. So that has, there's a whole bunch of globes. So that's cool too. And add the backgrounds in with some bits and bobs and with some from the other book and some of the words. Remember to use these words. You can use them on cards, tags, gift bags, anything like that. Okay, and here's the bonus page. I'm not going too long, so this is good. I love oh my gosh, I love the animals. And here's a snow globe already done. Oh, wood stove. I had wood stoves when I was growing up. I wouldn't have them again, but my family did. We lived in Maine, and it was cold up there in the winter, so that's what we did. We had wood stoves. There's Marta. It's her cut and collage Facebook group, and here's a special treat to have those backgrounds a little bit more vibrant. So yeah, these are great books. Oh, here's the background. The back page can be used too. Make sure you look at the dog. You got to cut him out. I mean, I know it's hard to cut into these books. I have trouble cutting into them myself, which I'm trying to get past that because I really want to use more of them. I collect them. I buy these all myself. It's just my collection that I've made over the last couple, year or two. And, but I love to share them with you and let you see what, what the possibilities are. So make sure to come back to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. I welcome everybody to join me in this wonderful paper crafting journey. And I wish everybody a happy holiday season, and we'll see you soon. Bye.